The DONGTAI H3HH5 heavy-duty industrial gearbox reducer is designed to meet harsh working conditions, providing stable and powerful power transmission. This reducer is specifically designed for heavy load, low speed, and high torque output scenarios. Its model reveals key features. H3HH5 H-type parallel shaft gearbox. 3. Number of stages. 3. H. Output shaft layout, hollow shaft. H. Installation form, horizontal installation. 5. Specification. 5. Core advantages. Strong and durable. Made of high-quality alloy steel gears. Hardened wear resistant. Impact resistant. With a long service life. Smooth operation. High gear engagement. Smooth transmission. Low noise and minimal vibration. Efficient transmission. Scientific gear design reduces internal power loss, resulting in high transmission efficiency. Widely applicable. Suitable for industries such as mining, metallurgy, cement, chemicals, and port hoisting. The DONGTAI H3HH5 reducer is a high-quality industrial component characterized by high torque, large speed ratio, and strong rigidity, making it an excellent choice to enhance your equipment performance.